What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best car battery charger on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered for more information on the products. I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Number 5.
In our list, the number 5 product name is DeWALT DX8 8E8 101NB bench battery charger. The DeWALT DX8 800 a 1B bench battery charger is a professional-level battery charger and maintainer. The charger is fully automatic, going to work once it's been connected to the battery terminals. If there is an improper connection, the reverse polarity alarm will sound. The tool has 3 stages of charging and automatically switches from fast charge to top off to trickle depending on what's needed. It also includes alternator check and battery recondition functions. Many reviewers are pleased with the charger's durability. One customer wrote, "I've had this charger for 4 years, left it out in the rain, in the sun, literally cooking it. It charged battery after battery and started a few cars and trucks." Lots of people also appreciate the versatile features that the charger offers, particularly the battery reconditioning. One reviewer's deep cycle battery wouldn't charge until this charger reconditioned it.
Number 4.
In our list, the number 4 product name is Car Battery Charger. Small but mighty, the NOCO Genius DeWALT direct mount onboard battery. Charger securely mounts near the battery with a snap fit bracket. From its mounted position, it provides all-in-one charging, full battery charging, battery maintenance trickle charging, float charging, and battery desulfating. It's compatible with both gas and diesel vehicles and can withstand high heat, vibration, shock, and water exposure. There is also an integrated thermal sensor to adjust the charging cycle based on ambient temperatures. Reviewers highly compliment this charger on its performance. One reviewer wrote that after 2 months of use it was still working flawlessly. Another reviewer explained, "I have it permanently connected to my diesel and boom. I don't ever have to worry about cold starts in the winter or leaving my truck parked for a long period of time." Other customers noted that it's easy to install, and they love the compact design.
Number 3.
In our list, the number 4 product name is Car Battery Charger. ABLY is also bringing a great budget option for a car battery charger on our list. It is also a versatile option designed to work with standard automotive batteries, as well as heavier batteries with high voltage requirements. The ABLY car battery charger is also a similarly cheaper option on this list, like the one we saw before. You will be able to use this charger for 12 volts as well as 24 volts batteries. But the amperage rating for both of these options is 8 and 4 amps respectively. It is also controlled by an intelligent built-in CPU to automatically control and maintain the charging current and voltage. Plus, it also helps to keep the battery temperature below excessive levels for the safety of the battery. The ABLY car battery charger also offers a wide range of compatibility, offering support for AGM, FB, MF, flooded, sleigh, and even Verlet car batteries. There is a special pulse repair function available on the ABLY car battery charger that can remove vulcanization and repair batteries that are slightly damaged. With that, you can expect stronger battery performance, and the quicker engine starts once you start treating your battery with this charger.
Number 2.
In our list, the number 2 product name is NEXPEAK car battery charger. NEXPEAK is bringing yet another cheaper alternative for a car battery charger that can offer great performance for most types of car batteries. In fact, it is arguably the cheapest option available on this list. The NEXPEAK car battery charger is certainly a car battery charger that offers many great features at such an affordable price tag. Despite being the cheapest option on this list, The NEXPEAK car battery charger still offers a fully automatic charging mode, along with smart functionality and a dedicated digital display to monitor the battery parameters. On top of that, this charger supports 10 amps charging at 12 volts, offering a rapid charging mode for standard 12 volts batteries. The NEXPEAK car battery charger offers 8 levels of charging protection while you're using the charger. It includes protection against a variety of electrical anomalies such as overheating, reverse polarity, overcurrent, fire hazards, and many others. Thus, it is certainly a safer alternative for your car's battery. It also includes the popular pulsar repair feature that can detect the battery condition and apply a desulfation method if necessary. Using this charger is also pretty simple since you won't have to calibrate any parameters. Simply plug your battery into the unit and wait until the charger does the maintenance job for you.
Number 1.
In our list, the number 1 product name is Outerman car battery charger. Our last pick for the best car battery charger is coming from Outerman. Unlike many other brands mentioned so far, Outerman is a brand that deals with a wide range of products, from car accessories to home and kitchen appliances. The Outerman car battery charger is yet another versatile car charger available on our list, as it can be used for both 12 volts as well as 24 volts car batteries. Apart from charging your battery, this charger can also diagnose problems with the battery and attempt to repair them automatically. And the pulsar repair functionality can offer an extended battery life for your battery, even if it is a rather older unit. This is also a fast car battery charger, as it is rated for 10 amps charging current at 12 volts and 7.5 amps at 24 volts. But you won't have to worry about the charging current, as the battery can automatically select the optimal charging current suitable for your battery. And it can also cut off the supply when the battery is fully charged, making it safer for overnight charging sessions. You will also find an LCD display on the Outerman car battery charger that can show you various parameters of the battery, such as display, current, voltage, and all other important details.